Can I get ITVX on Sony TV? ITVX is available on many Sony Smart TVs, but its availability depends on the model and operating system. Sony TVs running Android TV or Google TV support the ITVX app, while older models may require an external device or screen mirroring to access ITVX. 1. Checking if your Sony TV supports ITVX. To check if your Sony TV supports ITVX, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store for Android TV or Apps section for Google TV. Search for ITVX in the App Store. If ITVX appears, your TV supports it. If not, you will need an alternative method to watch. 2. Installing ITVX on a supported Sony TV. If your Sony TV is compatible, follow these steps to install ITVX. Press the Home button on your remote. Open the Google Play Store for Android TV or the Apps section for Google TV. Use the search bar to find ITVX. Select the app and click Install. Open the app, sign in if required, and start watching ITVX content. 3. Using an external streaming device for ITVX. If ITVX is not available on your Sony TV, you can use an external streaming device such as Amazon Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast, gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Connect the device to your TV, install the ITVX app, and log in to start streaming. 4th, casting ITVX from a mobile device. If your Sony TV does not support ITVX directly, you can cast or screen mirror from a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Ensure your TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open the ITVX app on your phone. Tap the cast icon for Chromecast or use screen mirroring for Android devices. Select your Sony TV and the content will play on your screen. If your Sony TV is compatible, you can install and stream ITVX directly. If not, using an external device or casting option provides an alternative way to watch ITVX. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can access ITVX with ease.